Hey guys, here's the next part to this live mixing session of a rock track from Cody James MSC, so let's jump back in.
Also sounds like that kick was a little out of time. Sounds like maybe the snare was too, so let's go ahead and if this screws up more than it fixes, then we'll might have to leave it, but actually, you know what? I didn't chop the overheads with it. Okay.
Shame, but you called me anyway.
Yep, totally got that click coming through.
But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway.
We're gonna have to edit these vocals a little bit, so we'll do that next. And then we will pitch them.
The wax man melts at your feet. The mask I wear.
trying to keep up. It's hard.
I try to run from your presence, but as I let go, I wish to stay. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are the
Okay, this little intro from the guitars can be cleaned up a little bit.
I adore. You
Okay, we're just gonna have to do like a super quick fade in, like microscopic. Okay.
will I adore. You are
Perfect. Looks like the bass is not playing right now, so we're gonna make sure that is out. Just in case, just in case. Okay. Let's fade this one in, fade that one out. All right.
You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are here. You are king. You know my frame, but you love me all the same.
Okay, so this is going to be the difficult part because that click was coming through really bad.
My frame, but you love me all the same. Love me all the same.
And right now we know it's there, but if you don't give people the opportunity to, hear the consistency of it, then psychoacoustically they won't know it's there.
You've seen my shame. But you called me anyway. You know my frame. My frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. But he called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same.
Wonder if these go out further. Just that one.
You know my frame, but
no, it just cuts off. Let's fade these out better.
you know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you.
I don't know. That sounds like it didn't do anything.
You know my frame.
Well, if that doesn't work, then we'll do this.
You know my frame, but you know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me.
I don't know if this is true, but I'm just going to guess and put this effect on his vocal here, that it'll be like the kind of telephone effect, and then if he wants it removed, once I send him this mix, that's fine, but we'll give him that option.